Hello, hope you're doing good today. Today we're going to be looking at a product that I picked up, but it's from a company called Stanford Outdoor Supply. Coming right up. Alright, well, I picked this up. I don't know how many of you have seen it, but I did a video quite some time back. I'll put a link to it up here of things I had for fishing and hunting and stuff. One of the things that I was lacking was more fishing equipment. And the next couple videos I do, I got another product I'm going to be doing a video on here in a couple days. But this one here is the B.O.S.S, which stands for Bug Out Survival Supplement. And it's by a company called Stanford Outdoor Supply. Stanford Outdoor Supply. Now I got this off of Amazon, and it doesn't say B.O.S.S on here, which the ones that they sell on their website do. But I'll put a link to this on Amazon and also a link down below to the company that produces this. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to bring the camera on around here, put a sheet of white paper out, and we're going to open this up and take a look and see what all we got in here. So let me get the camera moved around and we'll get back to you in just. Alright, well, this is take two because the first one didn't come out too good. I'll throw a clip in real quick and show you. Let's see. Hold that up there. You can see the two grub hooks there. Those hooks, and then several. Well, as you can see, that was all blurry and everything. Anyway, let's go back through this package again. Now this is the B.O.S.S, Bug Out Survival Supplement. And well, let's just take a look at what's inside. Well, first of all, it comes in this nice resealable pouch, so you can keep everything nice and handy. Throw this into your bug out bag. Okay, the first thing we pull out is this multi-tool. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. Have 6 salmon eggs. Why isn't that auto-focusing? I'm too close, okay. Salmon eggs. Got a nice little float, or as we used to call them, bobbers. Of course, I think the bobbers are the round ones anyway. Okay, and this right here is a little spool of, what is this? I'm looking. It's 20 foot of 50-pound test line. Okay. Now this was your little package with all your small pieces in it. I'm going to try to pull this out without dumping everything else out. Okay, we got, what is it, 5 of these swivels? Yep, 5 swivels, but yes, you could tell they're extremely small ones. And then there is 10 split shot in here that are of various sizes. I believe it's like 3 different sizes. And then, let's see, we got 15 hooks, and I think there's 3 different sizes of those, 2 for sure, maybe 3. And then 2 jig heads. Let me see if I can separate those out a little bit so you can see those in there. Okay, but altogether 15 hooks, 2 jig heads. We got the swivels and pinch weights. We put those back in the bag. We've got 100 yards of 8-pound test. I don't know what, there we go. I'm hoping these are getting focused in this time. And then we have 2 artificial grubs and 2 artificial jigs, I think they call them. It's a very nice kit, set up, like I said, be perfect for your bug out bag. Let's take a look at this little multi-tool. It does come in this nice nylon pouch with a Velcro closer on it. And it does have a small belt loop in the back. It's got a nice little pair of spring-loaded needle nose pliers. It does feel fairly rugged. Let's take a look at what we got on the sides here. Okay, we got a very small Phillips screwdriver. A very small knife blade, which definitely needs an edge put on it. There's no real edge. Got one of these little things. Always looks like a fingernail cleaner to me, with a little file. And then the last tool is a small standard screwdriver. There you have it. This is the B.O.S.S. Now they do make a bigger kit. This is what they call their mini kit. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Tell us why you didn't like it. Tell us why you did like it. Remember to comment down below. That's how you get entered into our giveaway at the end of each month. Till next time, stay prepared.